The fort. Who made this cool fort?
Daddy, me, and Nate.
Wow.
I made the flag, and Nate did, and Nate and me drew that picture, and Nate drew the words, and
Nate, can you move your head so I can see the picture?
and I drew the heart.
So you're blocking the picture behind you. Can you move your head down for a sec? See? There you go. Ooh, let me zero in on it. Wow, nice. Okay, give me a tour. What else is in here? Is there a bookshelf?
What else in here? It's a bookshelf, and there's books. And I also want to show you the American flag. Put it right here. Here, let me see. Right here. And they also help doing the top too.
Nice.
Right now.
And here's our bookshelf.
Yeah.
Keep our books from when we are ready for the library.
Yeah. Okay, Jonah, that's pretty much that. That's pretty much that whole fort. Okay. And there's also my water bottle. Yo, I want to stay home.
Are you going to snuggle, Nate? Let me see how you're going to snuggle.
Here tomorrow. No, I don't sleep here. I'll let you sleep here tonight. And then tomorrow night, you'll have to sleep. Switch over. You'll sleep here. You will sleep in your bed tomorrow night. I changed my plan. You sleep there tonight, and I'll sleep in my bed tonight. Okay. And then tomorrow, I will sleep there, and you will sleep in your bed. We'll just take turns. You get to go first because we're starting on your half birthday. Yeah.
Happy half birthday, Jonah.
So I get to do the boss. 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 Okay, now let's see the video.